Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Ninja 400 with ABS brakes. This lightweight twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 1,068 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Come on by, make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $62.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.